Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'm gonna show that how to save Facebook story with music. See guys, there is a music here on this story. I will download the story with music. You see the story. For this download with music, you have to search on Chrome browser that story saver extension. Search on Chrome browser and click to story saver. Here you can see the extension. Click to add to Chrome and click add extension. The extension will be downloaded and it added to Chrome. Then go to back again the story. Pin the extension here. Go to back and click the extension here. After clicking, see guys, the story will be downloaded and click to save. The story has been downloaded. Go to my media player. See guys, the story is downloaded with music. Friends, that was the video. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for getting new video notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.